Hey babe, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I finger detangle for length retention. So my hair has been in this bun for the past 2 weeks. Basically, yeah, it shrunk. It was big and it shrunk, and I just let it do its thing. So my hair is definitely very tangled. I only moisturized it like once into the second week, and I was able to retain a lot of moisture due to the maximum hydration method, which I'm going to link the video of how I do that in the cards above. So the first thing we're going to do is parting. So of course, to make things very easy for us and very convenient for us, it's always advised that we part our hair. So I'm parting my hair into 2 parts first, and then on the second part I am going to part another part from the back. I'll make that half, and I'm going to make another half in front. So I'm using rubber bands to do this. You can use your clips, or you can decide to actually twist your hair. It all depends on how shrunken your hair is, but mine is clearly very shrunken. So as y'all can see, I'm making that second part, and you'll see once I start the process of detangling that I will make smaller parts as well. So I'm just going to start off by stretching my hair. I'm going to just spritz my hair quickly with my tea rinse. You're free to use your water or your spritz. I'm actually doing this in preparation for WashDay. So I'm actually pre-pooing my hair, and this is the first thing that I do when pre-pooing. So as you guys can see, I'm just smoothing my hair. When you smooth your hair, you are able to remove any shed hairs that is in your hair. So that's the first step. And then I'm going to separate next. So basically this is when you just keep making small sections in your hair looking for knots, and you will definitely find them. So you want to keep opening up your hair. You are not combing anything at this point. Right now you're just looking for knots, and when you find the knot, you want to take each strand one by one until the knot is totally gone. So you keep doing that, looking for knots, using your thumb to open and separate your hair however you're comfortable. You will see later in the video a part where I show you using my index finger as well. So I'm just going to spray some more. This is, you don't just want to make it wet, you just want to make it damp. So over here I just wanted to add more because I didn't feel like I had enough. So you continue to separate in that manner. So I'm showing you guys this in real time so that you can really grasp what I'm doing. For this step, I'm basically separating. So you keep doing that, looking for knots and removing them one by one, and then we'll move on to the next step. Racking. So this is when you actually really comb your hair. This is just to really make sure that there are no knots left and no hiccups in between. So here I'm just making sure, and as you guys can see, I still do have hiccups, so I will continue to start separating my hair. And then once I'm able to completely rack my hair with no pain, with no struggles, and then I know that my hair is completely detangled. So here I was just really trying to see if there were any tangles at all, and I'll know that this section is ready to be pre-pooed with some oil. So here I just added my olive oil, and I'm just going to work it in using the praying method. So I would suggest that you keep repeating finger detangling throughout your routine. If you have watched my previous videos, you will notice that I am actually always constantly finger detangling my hair when I'm trying to work the product in, I'm detangling my hair, I'm smoothing it in, and it will make your life so much easier. You won't even need any tool, like your fingers will be just enough, and trust me, you will retain so much length. I'm going to show you guys in a second how much I shed for the entire head, so stay tuned for that. And so when I was through, I just undid my twist to make bigger ones so that I prepare my hair for the next step, which is shampooing. This is by far the easiest way to detangle natural hair, and as you guys can see, the breakage and shedding is at a minimum. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you'll be trying it or if you do it in the comment section below. See you guys in the next one.